Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel. I'm very super excited of everything that I'm gonna be discussing today with you. But for those who haven't really subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. It's a big bonus to me and for also other people that you're gonna be sharing my channel. And before we go into any details, please like and leave a comment. Do you have any questions that you want to leave to me? I will be just emailing you or just be replying back to you as all other friends have just been doing. So basically, as you can see, the topic today the topic is about sebaceous glands, occurs in the greatest number of this face and all parts of the skin except palms and soles of the face. So please, as Raquel, this is always my step one. I've just put some slices of lemon in my water. That's always my favorite, and I tell you, I can't go without lemon in my water. So shall we just start to discuss about everything right now? Oh my goodness, thank you guys. I'm super excited. Well, these are the basic vitamins that I chose today: vitamin A and vitamin D. Why do we need vitamin D? We need vitamin D and A for a strong body, for strong bones, and also to avoid healthy problems. And what are those vegetables? What are those basics that are really in these vitamins? I'm gonna start with vitamin A. With vitamin A, it helps to prevent cancer in your body. Vitamin A will help your healthy eyes. It will support your natural weight, like for those people who are really trying to lose weight. It will boost and just keep your brain healthy. If you eat vitamin A, it will help you to sleep better, and it will also help to nourish your skin and your hair so that it can be very healthy. Okay, what do you need to eat to have vitamin A? In vegetables, I would recommend you eat lots of colored vegetables. In that, what am I trying to say? Let me talk about, try to eat carrots, try to eat broccoli. I hope you know these things. Try to eat tomatoes, try to have avocados, and also try to involve pepper, red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper. All of these vegetables that I've just mentioned, they are very good nutrients for vitamin A. On the side of the fruits, you can try to eat mangoes, you can try to eat papaya, you can try to eat like melon, you can try to eat apricots, and also you can also try to involve peaches in your daily routine. What you can also add, you can try to add full dairy, for example butter. You can try to add on cheese, you can try to add beef, but please don't go beyond 500 grams in a week. Try to eat less beef. You can also try to eat eggs, but more of the yellow yolk. Try to involve salmon fish in your daily food, and also you can also have fish, and also you can have cod liver oil. For these things that if you have some problems and you might ask, oh, what is like salmon? This is lux. You can also try to go and Google. Just try to Google, take your time and learn something new. This will help your body from damaging effects of the radicals, and this will help you to have a very strong body and a very healthy, having a very healthy body. From vitamin D, I think I would really say vitamin D, it helps like when you have the sun. It depends on how long you're gonna stay in the sun. Not for so long. Just try to have some sun. For those people who are really lucky in Australia, you have some more, the sun is a bit longer in a year. In Africa, just use the sun, but not too much, because too much of anything is always bad. And my guys, my lovely people, do not forget to drink water. In addition to that, I have some notes that I wrote down for myself that I would like also to pass over to you. Before I forget, I just have a small note here, right over here. I wrote something, pilosebaceous unit. What is it? It's the combination of hair follicle, sebaceous gland, and muscle. Works with the dermis, the pedis, protection of your skin from bacteria and fungal. Please note, its failure occurs in puberty stage. That's why sometimes people have people just have failure in this severe acne, and even if they are in adult stage, you might find someone is always having problems with pimples, some irritation from the face, all over the face. So basically, what I would really advise you, if you really want to try to have a very healthy skin, try as much as you can from these vitamins that I just told you, vitamin A and vitamin D, to boost. Try to have, let me say, this much. Like for the fruits, you can have 3 portions of this much. And for the vegetables as well, you can include vegetables in your daily routine meals. It's a must. And these are things that are really gonna help your skin to glow, and they will also help your body to be strong, and you will also really rarely have problems with you would really rarely have problems with your health. And I would also like to talk about something which is also very important. I also ask you please to allow me to read this, because I really noted it down. And what are more benefits when you eat vitamin A and vitamin D? Okay, these are the benefits. It will keep your heart healthy. It will reduce inflammation, improves on your mood. Sometimes people get very moody and they are like feeling bad or stressed. It lowers the risk of developing types of diabetes, maintains bone health, nourishes the skin and hair, helps prevent cancer, keeps eyes healthy, it will boost your immune system, supports natural weight loss, which I already mentioned about. And yeah, basically that's, you will sleep well, and it will also help to keep your brain very healthy. So guys, thank you so much really for appreciating, and thank you so much for supporting your girl Raquel. And please do not forget, I will be always uploading new videos every Sunday, and just always support me and just like and leave a comment below. I will be really keep it real here, and we can always talk about everything. In addition to that, I also have some vitamin tablets that I usually take, sometimes as a supplement. It can also help to boost your health. I'll show you some of them, how they look like. This is from A to Z. So I buy these ones in German, but you can have them from your pharmacies, you can buy them from supermarkets. For these ones in German, when I go like for my shopping, I buy them from Real. And I also have some other ones that also helps to keep my hair a bit healthy, and you know, and to have just a very healthy skin. That is also what I use. And because in Germany we don't have so much of the sun, well, it only comes not really rarely, it comes for a certain period of time. I also try to take some vitamins from vitamin D, which I don't have right now. And basically that is all what I need to do. And I always try to drink a lot of water. So guys, thank you so much for watching my channel and for supporting me as well. Raquel is my name, and I promise you I will be loading videos, and I will be really giving you more information on how you can also try to track your health. And another thing, please guys, try to track your minerals. What do I mean by tracking minerals? Tracking minerals, you have to have potassium, you have to have zinc, you have to have calcium, you also have to have magnesium, and also you have to have selenium in your body. So once you track all the minerals in your body, I am telling you guys, you will barely have problems and healthy problem issues. Also try to be more active. Try to take some walks for a long period of time, just not for 5 minutes. You can try your best, even if you're if you're at home, try to work out, like really trying to make your body, give it some exercise, and it will be very happy with you. I will be so happy as well too. You know, it's encouraging. Remember, if it does not challenge you, it will not change you. Try to challenge yourself by checking on the internet what is good for your health, what brings breakages from your skin, how, if you stay longer in the sun, what are the bad effects and what are the good effects. Please follow those things and do them for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. Bye.